Welcome to this tutorial on how to make money online with affiliate marketing. In this video, we will delve into the world of affiliate marketing, explaining what it is and why it's a viable option for generating income online. Affiliate marketing is a straightforward concept. It involves earning money by promoting products or helping to make sales for other businesses. The unique aspect of affiliate marketing is that you don't need to own the products or run a traditional brick-and-mortar business. It's like having a virtual business where you earn commissions for driving sales. There are compelling reasons to consider affiliate marketing as a source of income. Firstly, it offers flexibility, allowing you to work from anywhere in the world. Secondly, it requires minimal upfront investment, making it accessible to many. Finally, there's diversity in how you can approach affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing operates on a commission-based model. When you promote a product or service and someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a portion of that sale. For instance, if you recommend a product available on Amazon through your affiliate link and someone buys it, you receive a commission from that sale. Well, then, how to get started? Your affiliate marketing journey involves setting up an account with an affiliate program, and Amazon's affiliate program is an ideal choice for beginners due to its user-friendly interface and vast product offerings. To begin, you'll need to visit the Amazon Affiliates website and sign up for an account. This process typically involves providing basic information about yourself and your online presence. Once your account is approved, you gain access to a wide range of products that you can promote as an affiliate, earning commissions on sales generated through your unique affiliate links. In parallel, creating a strong presence on social media platforms like TikTok and Instagram is crucial for promoting affiliate products effectively. Your social media accounts serve as the primary channels through which you'll engage with your audience and share affiliate links. When creating these accounts, ensure you use a recognizable profile picture and craft a compelling bio that highlights your niche or areas of interest. Your content should align with your chosen niche to attract and engage the right audience. On TikTok and Instagram, you can employ various content creation strategies to showcase the products you're promoting. Authenticity is key in affiliate marketing, as your followers rely on your genuine recommendations. Consider using storytelling techniques, product demonstrations, and sharing personal experiences to connect with your audience and build trust. The more your audience trusts your recommendations, the more likely they are to make purchases through your affiliate links. In addition to TikTok and Instagram, consider expanding your presence to platforms like YouTube. A YouTube channel allows for in-depth product reviews and more extensive engagement with your audience. Learning how to create viral content is also valuable, as these strategies can be applied effectively to promote affiliate products. Engaging and shareable content can help drive more traffic to your affiliate links, potentially leading to higher earnings. When it comes to choosing your niche, it's essential to select an area that you're passionate about or knowledgeable in. This choice significantly impacts the authenticity and effectiveness of your affiliate marketing efforts. You can opt to promote physical products within a specific category, known as a product niche, or focus on digital content like ebooks, online courses, or software, referred to as a digital content niche. The key is to align your niche with your interests and expertise to create content that resonates with your audience. To find affiliate offers, explore various affiliate marketing platforms like ClickBank, Amazon Affiliates, Flex Offers, Link Connector, and Affiliate Future. These platforms offer a diverse range of products and services, allowing you to select those that align best with your chosen niche and offer attractive commission rates. Incorporating tools like link trees or beacons can streamline the process of organizing and sharing your affiliate links, especially on platforms with limited space for links, such as Instagram. These tools provide a single link that directs users to a list of multiple affiliate links, simplifying the navigation for your audience and increasing the likelihood of clicks and conversions. For an advanced approach, consider the Amazon Influencer Program, which enables you to create a storefront to showcase the products you promote. You can visit Amazon Creator University for guidance on setting up your influencer account. Connect your social media accounts, customize your influencer page with a profile picture and bio, and start creating posts and adding products to your storefront to enhance your affiliate marketing presence. Lastly, creating ideal lists can be a valuable strategy. These lists allow you to organize and categorize the products you promote, making it easier for your audience to find the items they're interested in. By categorizing products within your niche, you enhance the shopping experience for your followers and increase the likelihood of successful affiliate sales. Now we'll go through each affiliate commissions. Affiliate commissions come in various forms. Number 1. Payper sale or PPS. Payper sale is perhaps the most common and straightforward type of affiliate commission. In this model, you earn a commission for each sale that is completed through the affiliate link you provided. This means that when someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you receive a percentage of the total sale as your commission. For instance, if you promote a $100 product with a 10% commission rate, you'd earn $10 for every sale generated through your link. PPS is widely used in affiliate marketing because it directly rewards affiliates for driving actual sales for the merchant. Number 2. Payper action PPA. Payper action, also known as cost per action CPA, is another commission model. Unlike PPS, which focuses on completed sales, PPA compensates affiliates for specific actions that users take after clicking on an affiliate link. These actions can include signing up for newsletters, clicking on specific links, filling out forms, or even downloading files. Affiliates receive a commission for each successful action that is generated through their affiliate links. This model is versatile and allows advertisers to define precisely what actions they are willing to pay for, making it suitable for a wide range of products and services. Number 3. Payper install or PPI. Payper install is a commission structure commonly associated with promoting software or mobile apps. In this model, affiliates are compensated for each installation of a particular application or software program that occurs through their referral links. Importantly, this includes both paid and free apps. Affiliates can earn a commission simply by directing users to install a specific application, and this commission can vary based on the app or software being promoted. PPI is especially prevalent in the mobile app industry, where app developers rely on affiliates to drive installations and user engagement. Number 4. Pay-per-click PPC. Pay-per-click is a commission model where affiliates earn money based on the number of clicks generated through their affiliate links. Unlike the previous models, PPC doesn't require a completed sale or specific actions. Affiliates get paid merely for driving traffic to the merchant's website. The commission is usually based on the number of clicks, and it doesn't depend on whether the clicks result in sales or other actions. PPC is more common in niches where the goal is to boost website traffic and exposure, and it's often used in affiliate programs that aim to raise brand awareness rather than generate immediate sales. The choice of which model to use depends on the nature of the products or services being promoted and the objectives of the affiliate marketing campaign. Affiliate marketing is an appealing avenue for individuals looking to generate income online, particularly for those just starting. The fundamental concept is straightforward. You promote products or services to your audience, products you genuinely believe in and endorse, and receive commissions for every sale or action generated through your affiliate links. This business model doesn't necessitate product ownership or the complexities of running a traditional brick-and-mortar business. While affiliate marketing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, the potential for a sustainable online income is substantial, making it a promising venture for those willing to invest the effort and patience required for success. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more valuable content. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. See you in the next video.